In the workplace, things do not always go as planned. A report may contain errors, a delivery might be late, or a process may stop unexpectedly. When problems occur, staying calm and using clear language helps teams identify issues quickly and work together toward solutions. Explaining that something is wrong without causing alarm is often the first step. Phrases like, "There seems to be an issue," or "Something isn't quite right," alert others to a problem professionally. Once the issue is identified, inviting others to help can move the situation forward. Saying, "Could you take a look at this?" or "Let's find out what's happening," brings the right people into the discussion. Sometimes problems require reviewing details or getting additional support. Expressions such as, "Let's go over this again," help teams examine what went wrong, while "We may need some support" acknowledges when outside help is necessary. Clarifying next steps keeps momentum going even when solutions aren't immediately clear. Using straightforward problem-solving language helps teams address difficulties efficiently, maintain focus under pressure, and coordinate their response without confusion or frustration.